All right, today we're gonna bring another elegant light, and these are two LED lights that are not built in. You actually have to assemble them together. Now, this is a gooseneck that's stretchable. It's very flexible, if you guys can notice. Now, the only space you're gonna really need is require the 10 inches on the floor, which is the round plate that acts as a weight for the counterweight for the actual whole system. Now, it's divided in three sections. All you got to do is twist them together, and that's pretty much it. Now, once you set that up, you do have to set up the LED lights, and you have to set up the actual two spheres, the two plastic spheres. So let's go ahead and measure it. All right, from the ground, from the base of the ground of the actual last atmosphere, it's about 65 inches, 5.5 inches, or 5 feet, 5 inches. So that's pretty much the space that you're going to require from the ground to the ceiling, which is only 5.5. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features. There is a control base here. It's a little knob, and this actually dims down the light and turns it off and turns it back on. So it's a dimmer built in the actual system. If you guys can see that, very, very sensitive. It's very smooth. You don't have to force it or anything like that. The turn off button, it does need some pressure. That's about it. But after the button, you can turn it on completely. And this is the highest it goes. Now let's take a look at the actual system in the darkness. Here we have the actual lamp in a complete dark room. Now we're going to turn it off so you could demo how dark it gets. Now we have it completely off, and we're going to go dimming all the way to the full brightness.